Hello, welcome back. So last week we learned how to make bubble letters. We simply drew a word and then we traced the word with thick lines to make the word really stand out. And you've done this in pencil. So what you should do is go back, you might have already done this, but go back and erase the original line that you made. You drew lightly for a reason, and go back and erase that. So what you have left are nice, big, bold letters. All right, so now I'm ready to color it in and decorate it. My word is respect, and I think that's very important, and I really want it to stand out. Therefore, I'm going to use really bold, fun colors that might represent something that would be kind of respected or respectable. So out of my markers, I'm going to use orange because orange is really bright and bold for the R, and then the rest of them I'm going to change it up a little bit. That marker is no good. That's a good marker. All right, just to show you in case you don't realize this, if you use the tip of your marker, you're going to have a very thin line. If you use the side of your marker, you'll have a thick line. Now, I can change it up. I could do thin lines and thick lines. That's totally up to me. But what I'm not going to do is go like this. Now, someone might do this and then go, my marker doesn't work. Well, it does work. Slow down. Make sure you're using the marker properly and color it in. So, I really want mine to stand out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline it using the side of my marker, making a big, thick, strong, bold line. All the way around my shape. If you miss a spot, you're going to have to go back in and color it. Like here. I could kind of leave that white on purpose as part of my design, but I'm going to just go ahead and color it all in. First, I'm tracing it. All right, and now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to color it in, but I don't want to just color the whole thing dark orange. I want to make some sort of design. So I kind of like on the back how I do the thin line and thick lines. I'm going to do that on my R. Thin, thick, thin, thick, thin, thick, thin, thick. You get the idea. I want you to experiment and use different forms of pattern and, I don't know, add some pizzazz to your letters. When it comes to coloring it in the back, behind like the designs that you made, you can use your crayon and you can actually color right on top of the marker. You won't be able to see it. And I'll be sure to have my example hanging so you can see it when it's done. But basically, that's all I'm going to do. On the back, I want to show you real quickly with the crayons. You can color with crayons like this and make a nice solid light color. You could color with the crayons like this and make it look like a dark color but kind of raggedy, I guess. Or you can color dark and make it really full without making all these light spots. So just different ways to color with your crayons. Just make sure when you pick one and just stick with it. Don't pick this one in the middle, obviously it makes it look messy, but pick either a light or a dark and stick with that same color throughout the whole thing. Today we are coloring our project with bold, fun colors. And then next week we're going to add, make it look three-dimensional. Okay? Anyways, good luck.